Page 29, Sleigh Ride Holiday. On page 28, they're introducing another new time signature, a 6/8 time. Similar to 3/8 time, except instead of only 3 beats in a measure, now there's 6. Okay, we're still counting eighth notes. I disagree with their statement where you think of 6/8 time as a combination of 3/8 and 3/8. In my opinion, that should be, you can think of it as a combination of 3/8 and 3/8, but it doesn't have to be. 6/8 time is versatile. You can feel it in 2 groups of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the natural accents. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can also feel it in groups of 2. So there's 3 beats to a measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. Depends on the music. And you can tell how their notes are beamed together, which way it is. Most of the time, it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it'll be felt in 2 groups of 3. But it doesn't have to be, is my point. That's no biggie, I hope. Let's look at Sleigh Ride Holiday. No sharps or flats. Look at the last measure, it's a C chord. I figure it's in C major. Right hand first. 1, 2, 3. Remember the 8th note gets a beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Watch the fingering. Now second finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See the dotted quarter going to the quarter note? It's 5 counts total. And now lift up 5th finger. 1, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. And then the second measure, 3rd line, it's here. Bring the thumb down. 3. And then 3rd finger again. Let's go down to the last line. You're up here. 5, 6. Rest. They say lift. You just need to move. Just lifting anyway. I mean, you're doing it between phrases. You're lifting, so just lift and move. Here. And that you hold out a little longer. With a metronome, I'll double it, so I'll hold it 4 counts instead of 2. And you lift again. And I would phrase all of this. I'd slur it all together. All of that, I'd slur the whole thing together. I don't know why they're slurring at this. I disagree with that. I'd put it all together. It's like at the first line. They don't give any slur marks until the second measure. But I would slur everything. You can't slur repeated notes, but I'd slur pretty much everything else. I'd connect all that together. Now you can lift up, and I'd slur that, and connect that. Connect everything together. Now you can split it up. You can feel where the phrases are, so you separate between the phrases and connect everything else. Now, I disagree with their slurring marks in this piece. Left hand, chord, start, dotted half note. Remember, a dotted half note's the same as 3 quarter notes. And there's 2 eighth notes and a quarter note, so that's 6 eighth notes. Well, you got 6 beats in the measure. It works out. It's the whole measure. All 6 counts. Isn't that nice? Second measure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make sure you lift on 6. It's a rest. The end of the line. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then here, 5, 7 chord, and then 1 chord. 3rd line, F sharp, chord. Got a lot going on in the left hand. Both hands together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You work it out. I don't want to play it for you. You just copy me. You work it out. Get rid of all the hesitations, and everything is working fine together. Then go back. As far as the articulation, it's the slurs I talked about. Just put in the phrasing. So it's like almost every 2 measures, but there's usually a pickup beat. So it's here. This is a phrase. Then you go. That's a phrase. Now here. New phrase. Now. And then the phrasing, just lift up between the phrasing. I almost played it for you, didn't I? Dynamics. It starts out moderately soft at the beginning. That's the right hand. Keep the left hand soft throughout this whole thing. Just. We want to hear the right hand. Then you're going to crescendo in the third line up to immediate moderately loud. There, that's moderately loud. Stay moderately loud. And then the last line, you're going to go up to a loud. Here, now you're loud. Here, and then you stay loud. That's the right hand. Keep the left hand down under that. Speed-wise, briskly, but they give you a metronome mark. And that, keep in mind that's an eighth note. 1, 2, 3, 4, about that. So you feel that 1, 2, 1, 2. They sound almost like triplets. They're not. They're eighths. It's like a march. A lot of marches are written in 6/8 time because they have that feel. 1, 2. So you get the feel out of it. No pedal. We don't need pedal on this. And you can work it up the speed-wise on your own. It's more important to be accurate and have it all under control than do fast. So you have your speed limit. Don't go beyond that. I'd like to play it with you slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do dynamics. The fermata at the bottom, I'm going to hold that 4 counts instead of 2. I'll give it 6 counts. Let's play it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, ready, go. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5. 2. Rest. 2. Hold 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.